Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your American Airlines Employee Account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in American Airlines Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as smlogin.aa.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And here you need to provide your American Airline ID and your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type your American Airline ID in the text field given for it. Then type a password in the text field given for password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this forgot password text. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.